Welcome to day 7 of the Research Proposal Challenge. Now we'll talk about the ethical considerations in research. Did you know that ethical mistakes can get your research rejected even if your study is perfect? So let's make sure you're on the right side of research integrity in this video. The biggest ethical considerations which you must consider in your proposal is the informed consent. It is important that you inform your participants about the risk and benefit of the procedure prior to the procedure has been done. Confidentiality has to be maintained that you need to protect the sensitive data of the patients and also avoid bias. Ensure fairness in the data collection methods. Avoid plagiarism. Always cite the sources properly before doing any study and never modify or cherry pick results to fit your hypothesis, which is also known as data manipulation. As we are all aware that AI should be only your assistant, not an author. Many reputed journals they now screen for AI generated content. So it is ethical that you don't manipulate data using AI and you use it only for grammar or proofread check. Challenge for today is identify one ethical challenge in your study and how you will address it, and I'll see you in the next video.